Today I'm going to be showing you the best tips, tricks, and hidden features for using the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most useful tips and tricks that will allow you to use your watch to its maximum potential. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'm going to be showing you some of the coolest hidden features that will allow you to use your watch like an expert. Let's get started with today's video, the best tips, tricks, and hidden features for using the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. If you use a wide variety of applications on your watch, you may find this orientation of our applications difficult to sort through, and you may be selecting the wrong app sometimes by mistake. I know I used to. So I want to show you a new layout that you can apply to your applications to make it a bit easier to sort through your different apps. So we're going to go into our settings, and then we're going to select apps. And then inside here, we can actually change this layout from rotary view to list view. So once selected, you can go back into your apps, and now you're going to see that our apps are listed one by one in this list view. Now I find it a lot easier to select the right app and not click the wrong one by mistake in that rotary view. So again, if you want to apply this list view to your applications, we're just going to go to our settings, then to apps, and then just select layout and then list view. By default, our background on our watch is just plain black and can get pretty boring. So for this next hidden feature, I'm going to show you how you can customize the background on your watch. So to get rid of this plain black background, we're going to go to our settings. We're going to scroll down to display, open that up, and then find where it says background style. Open that up, and this part's gonna work just like when you're customizing your watch faces. You can swipe through all these different background styles or just use your bezel to look through and browse these different options. Once you find one you like, there's several different options here, but once you find one you like, just select it. And just like that, it's going to set as your default background style. So now we can go into our applications, and you'll see that it's now this colorful blue background that I just set up. Also, I want to just point out it's not going to change your watch face, so you don't need to worry about that. It's only going to apply to these health statistics and then on the background of your applications. So it's a great feature. If you want to add some color to your watch face, just go to your settings, go to display, and then change your background style. So Samsung has given us an easy access toolbar that you can access anytime, no matter if you're on your apps page or you're on just the main display screen, just by sliding down from the top of your screen. It's going to give you quick access to all these different features. Now I want to show you how we can customize this easy access toolbar. So if you hold down on your screen, it's going to put you in edit mode. So if you want to get rid of any of these features, you just click this minus button and you'll see that feature will go away. But if you want to add a feature, just swipe over to the last page of this toolbar and click the plus icon. And now you'll see there's some really great features you can add to these quick settings. For example, if you want to have this play/stop music feature, now anytime you want to pause your music, you can just swipe down and then select that play/stop feature. You also have access to power saving mode, touch sensitivity, volume, and then a few other great quick settings. So that's how you customize it. You just swipe down to get to that quick settings menu, then hold down on your screen to go into editing mode. I want to take a quick break to invite you to join AppFind VIP, our email newsletter where we're sending out the best mobile apps and mobile games to be sent directly to your email inbox. Now either use the link in the description or go to appfindvip.com, and once you're entered on our email list, you're automatically going to be entered into AppFind giveaways where we're giving out incredible gifts like iTunes gift cards and Google Play gift cards every single month. All you need to do is join our free email newsletter on appfindvip.com and you'll automatically be entered into our monthly giveaways. We can't wait to see you inside. Go to appfindvip.com or use the link in the description to join AppFind VIP today. We all know how annoying it can be on those really cold days when you need to keep taking off your gloves just to use your watch because the touchscreen won't work with these big gloves on. So I'm going to show you an incredible feature that will allow you to be able to use your touchscreen and all of your watch's capabilities even while you're wearing gloves. So to do this, we're going to go into our settings. We're going to scroll down to where you find advanced, open that up. Scroll down to touch sensitivity, and then we're going to toggle this to on. You'll even see it says down bottom, you'll now be able to use your watch while wearing gloves. And this really is an awesome feature. So I'm going to put on a pair of gloves and I'll show you just how well this works. All right, so now I have a big pair of winter gloves on, and you'll see I'm still able to use my touchscreen even while wearing them. If I had this touch sensitivity turned on, I would not be able to use this touchscreen as accurately as I am doing now. It's an incredible feature. To access it, you go to your settings, then you go to advanced, and then just turn on touch sensitivity. On the new Samsung Galaxy Watch, Samsung has finally ditched the complicated swipe gesture to take a screenshot. Now all you need to do to take a screenshot on your watch is press both of these side buttons at the same time, and you'll see a screenshot is captured and then taken right to your photo gallery. Now, that's probably not that exciting. You probably already knew how to take a screenshot. So I want to show you how you can do a scrolling screenshot if you're ever trying to capture something that doesn't fit on your watch face all at once. So to do this, I'm going to go into the weather application and say I want to take a screenshot of this whole hourly weather report. To do that, the same rule applies. We're going to click both buttons, but then it's going to allow me to scroll down throughout this interface, capturing a larger screenshot, which captures the entire hourly list view of this weather report. So here we go. We're going to double click these buttons, and now you'll see I can tap this down arrow here to capture as much of this list as I would like. When I'm satisfied with this image, I'm just going to click done. And then it's going to take that photo right to my photo library. Now, if I want to check out what that screenshot looks like, we're going to go into our gallery. And then you can select that image and you'll see that it captured that entire list view like I said it would. So it captures everything that I scroll down to until I click done. Now this can be a really handy feature if, say, you want to take a screenshot of one of your workouts and capture all of the different exercises you did in one routine. So anytime that you're trying to capture something that doesn't fit on this watch face, once you take that screenshot by clicking these two side buttons, it's going to give you the option to click that down arrow to capture more of the interface. Next, I want to show you an amazing feature that a lot of people don't know about, and it can really protect your watch from getting any water damage. So this is water lock mode. The feature has an icon that are these two water droplets you see here. And when activated, it's going to protect your phone by shutting off the sensitivity on the touchscreen. You'll see that no matter where I touch my watch, it's not going to move and it's not going to pick up on any touch. So this is for any time you're in a situation where you think your watch may get wet. It's going to shut off the touch capability. And then when you're done, and if your watch did get wet at all, you're going to press this bottom button to disable that feature. And now it's going to play a sound that you hear there. And what that sound's doing is it's trying to expel any liquid that's inside of the speakers. Then you'll be prompted to shake out any more moisture. But if you still feel like there's some water left inside of your watch, I'm going to show you the best way to play this sound for a longer amount of time without, consistently doing that routine I just showed you. So rather than just constantly replaying that 2 or 3 second sound, we can go into our settings and then scroll down to advanced features. And then inside here, if we go to water lock, open that up, and then select this eject water with sound button, it's going to play that sound for a much longer amount of time, which will expel more liquid than the shorter version that I just showed you would do. So we're going to select that, click play sound, and now it will keep playing that sound until it fills the circle or I press that stop button. So this is a really great feature that can protect your watch. If you're ever in a situation where you think it's going to get wet, turn on that water lock feature. But if you forget, you can just go into the settings and then play that sound a few times over until you feel all the moisture is out of your watch's speakers. I want to take a quick break from our video to invite you to join this incredible application that's giving out millions of cash prizes just for answering quick and easy surveys. So if you want to start earning real cash today just by taking these simple surveys, use the link in our description or go to bit.ly/getquickthoughts. That's bit.ly/GETQUICKTHOUGHTS. Now, using this link is going to help support our channel, but more importantly, it's going to make sure that you get access to their best surveys that pay out the greatest rewards. Now, using that link is going to take you directly to the App Store. And if you look down here, you can see just some examples of the incredible, easy and simple surveys that are paying out real cash rewards. So go ahead, download Quick Thoughts, and then on the bottom left corner, click sign up, and it's a really fast and easy process to get signed up for Quick Thoughts, and then right away you're going to be able to start answering these surveys and being rewarded with real cash rewards. So again, the link's down in the description, or go to bit.ly/getquickthoughts to start earning real cash for taking easy surveys today. If you ever find yourself in a dark environment and you don't have your smartphone handy, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Galaxy Watch into a flashlight. So if you click on this flashlight icon here, your watch is actually going to display a really bright white light on your watch face, and it doesn't look like much here, but if you're in a pitch black room, this is actually a pretty bright light. Now, to adjust the brightness, if you find this too bright, you can just tap on your screen like so, or turn your bezel to adjust the light accordingly. Now, if you ever need to get somebody's attention with your light, you can tap on the screen 3 times, and you'll see that my watch will start flashing. Again, it doesn't look like much right now, but try this out in a pitch black room and you'll see just how bright this watch actually is. So again, to access this flashlight, it's already listed on your quick access toolbar. So just pull down on your screen, swipe over once, and then select this flashlight icon to activate flashlight mode on your Galaxy Watch. I hope you found today's video valuable. This was the best tips, tricks, and hidden features for using the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Let us know down in the comments what your favorite tip or trick was, and if you found this video valuable, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more great content coming out soon. I also want to remind you to use the link down in the description or go to appfindvip.com to sign up for our email newsletter where we're sending you the best mobile apps and mobile games directly to your email inbox. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.